Hello, I'm Songok Park. Welcome to the Umbra. When I design, I always dream how people using it, and then how do I bring their smile to the product. Another employee, he's working. I don't want to design something boring. I want them to be proud. They own the product every day, and then when they use it, they're like happy. It's almost like I say, this is my design, but I want them to say, this is the design I purchased. I'm a senior design lead in Umbra, and I've been working here about 15 years. And I graduated OCAD in 2011 in industrial design program. I mean, we are designing a houseware product. And globally, we are doing almost every category what you see in the home, like a bath, kitchen, decor, office, furniture, as you see behind me. We do original design and modern design. We are functional, good price, and we are casual. Our designs are casual. It's something anyone can approach. To me, part of the design is giving a personality to their life, that they can identify who they are. So we often say when we design products, can that create a conversation? Oh, this is cool design. Have a good conversation with somebody who's visiting your place. That's part of our goal. Without learning from OCAD, I will never design product as of now, because I learned so much about how to approach the design. OCAD really helped giving me a chance to study like diverse programs. Yeah, there's a course about shop. There's a course about research. There's a course about history. There's a course about design process. Now I'm thinking back, and since I have also experience working here, those are very helpful when I design. Like when I get the project, I know how to approach. My first few years working in Umbra, I think I was just keep learning and learning. I came to work, literally I left my bag and I went to the shop, and then I would just keep sending FDMs and painting. Because I learned this skill set from OCAD, I was able to support the team. Yeah, like over 15 years, my role has been changed a lot. They promote me as a product designer. My first category I was working with was a picture frame. I was actually able to design some of my new picture frame design, and then who knew that was most success products. And then I was promoted to lead, start to having my own team, and then also showing my responsibility. So I was able to promote to senior design lead. I still design, but I work closely project with the designers. Now I have 3 full-time designers and 1 intern, and we are trying to keep at least 1 intern around the year. That's how we support the local design community. My advice to OCAD industrial design students will be flexible. While we're designing, you're not designing yourself. You're designing things for the people who's gonna use your product, who's gonna love your product. And be curious wherever you are. I'm telling designer too, even myself. Always ask why. I think that will lead you to what can you do better to make the life better. Oh, Les, you wanna meet them? This is our CEO, Les.
You're the most prolific designers in the world.
Oh, thank you. Make sure you record.
Serious. Put out more products globally than anybody in Canada or not. Yeah, practically anybody in the world.
Thank you.